I'm feeling it going away. I could feel the seizure because I felt this numbing feeling all on the right side of my body, and it always makes me feel nervous because I know that this side of my brain is what caused the bleed, and that always causes my issues on my right side of the body. But my sweetheart is always here looking after me when I feel But anyway, you guys, do me a favor. If you have any comments, see, I can't get my words out. But if you have any questions or anything, just leave a message down below, and I'll try and get back with all of you. All right? Talk to you guys later.